The Supreme Court today dismissed the Police Commissioner's appeal against the decision of the National Court, which granted leave for Thomas Elu and Timothy Gitwa to challenge their termination in court. This follows Baki's appeal against the decision of the trial judge, Justice Leka Nablu, recently. The decision was read this morning by Justice Eric Kariko. Sheila Malkin reports.
A three-bench judge consisting of Chief Justice Salamo Injia, Justice Eric Kariko, and Justice Kina Bona anonymously dismissed Baki's appeal. They found that the trial judge did not make any error in law when handing down the decision in the National Court. Baki appealed to the Supreme Court, saying that Justice Nablu made error in law when granting the leave to Elu and Gitwa. Thomas Elu was the Assistant Police Commissioner Crimes, and Timothy Gitwa was the Deputy Director of the National Fraud and Anti-Corruption Directorate when they were terminated last September by Commissioner Baki on disciplinary reasons. The parties will return to the National Court to argue on the judicial review proceeding, which was filed by Elu and Gitwa.
Of course, we're very pleased about the court's decision, both myself and Mr. Gitwa. I think in the decision itself, it pronounces a lot of loose pieces of laws in the Police Force Act, which requires amendments and adjustments. And it's quite clear that the Commissioner could not review his own decision, cannot. And we can't say much because the matter is still before the court. So we are very pleased about the court's decision.
The courts have actually dissected the disciplinary process in the Police Act, and what has become more clear is really whether the Commissioner had powers to review his own decisions. So the courts have clarified and have said that to arrive at that conclusion would be arbitrary and very unjust. So that's become more clear, and we will now proceed with our cases in the National Court.
Sheila Malkin, NBC National News, Port Moresby.